Hello and welcome to the Riccio Werkstatt. Riccio in Italian means hedgehog and this movement is the hedgehog greeting. Today's video, is a part of my video series which is called Neocolor 2 Color Guide, and we're going through all the 84 available colors of Neocolor 2, and I'm swatching them on white paper, black paper, and then I'm giving you the light fastness ratings for these Neocolor 2 wax pastels. You see them here. Neocolor 2 are wax pastels which are water soluble, and they are produced by Caran, which is a Swiss brand, and they are Swiss made. In today's video we're looking at black and white colors, so this range from black to white or from white to black. And here we have the colors written. So the 001 is the white, 002 is silver gray, 003 light gray, 005 gray, 007 dark gray, 008 grayish black, 009 black. And each color has its number written here and here at the end, so that you can see which color it is also when your pastel is used up until the end. I've swatched them and you can see the nice progression from white to black. So white is white, black is black, okay. Here in the silver gray, light gray, gray, dark gray, grayish black. So gray is seldom just gray, it often has a bit of a hint to another color. So it can be a warm gray, or which looks more into the direction of a yellow, orange, or a cool gray, which is more towards blue. For me, this gray, it's a bit a cold one. Yeah, these other two as well. The silver gray, this one, if I put, for example, it's not, to me, it doesn't look as cold as the other ones. And an interesting thing is that often gray adapts a bit to the color that it's put close to. Kind of depending on which color you put it close to, it looks more like darker or less dark or colder or warmer. Yeah, it has a bit this property of adapting, in my opinion, in my experience. And now I'm going on to the swatch on black paper. For the gray, I think it's really interesting to compare the swatch on white paper with the swatch on black paper. So you see on white paper, for example, between white and silver gray, there is a big difference. On black paper, they look almost the same. And also here, the gray on black paper, for me, it accentuates a bit the bluish character that I see in it. And also here, for example, if you see gray and dark gray on white paper, not that much of a big difference. On black paper, a lot of difference. Also here between dark gray and grayish black. And grayish black, here it looks more kind of bluish or indigo-like. And it's very, very distinct from black. It's very different here. While here, you don't notice that much of a difference. And here it's what I was telling you, like depending on which color you put the gray close to, here in this case it's black, here it's white, it changes Another thing that we can observe is that, well, if you ask me, here it's going from bit, the white is opaque, but you can still see the black paper behind the color. In the silver gray you can see it a little bit, in the light gray even less, and these last four grays, they are, for me, they are completely opaque. Yeah, just have a look. You can stop the video and have a look for yourself, or try doing this at home. It's very, 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 very interesting. For example, for me, if I would work on white paper, this grayish black, this dark gray, they would be really dark, or even the gray kind of dark values. And here they are kind of not, they don't appear to be so dark on black paper. They are kind of mid values. While here light gray, silver gray, on white paper, I would say mid values. On black paper, they appear to be much, much, much lighter. I hope this gives you the insight of how important the color of the paper is in your drawing. And one thing that I can tell you, a little trick or use case for light gray. I like to use light gray for putting light accents when I need cool light, in alternative to white. I think this is a bit less transparent than white, so if you need this kind of light accents that are not so much transparent and go towards the cool light, then often I use this one, the light gray. Now we go to the light fastness ratings. Light fastness ratings go from 3 stars to 2 and 1 star, and they're measured according to the blue wool scale. And here we go. These colors have all excellent light fastness, with the exception of dark gray, which has 2 stars, and gray, which has 2 stars. The other ones have all, I can do it this in gray, in green, all 3 stars. That's all from my side. Let me know in the comments which of these colors is the one you use the most, or if you have any particular suggestion on how to use these colors, or any question, use the comment section. I hope this was useful, and I'll see you in the next video.